Hi, I'm Skylar. Today I'd like to show you how to set up a keyboard on your iPad. I've got an Apple wireless keyboard and I've put it into pairing mode by holding the power button on the right hand side until the green light starts to flash. You may have a different type of keyboard, and if so, just refer to the manufacturer's instructions on how to put it in pairing mode. Next, go to Settings on your iPad. Near the top on the left hand side you'll see Bluetooth. Tap that, and then you should see the name of your keyboard. Tap it. You'll get a message that says pairing request and a code. Mine is 8205, followed by the Enter key. You'll see that it's changed to blue and it says connected. Now your keyboard is connected, and if you open up any sort of word processor or web browser, any place where you would enter text, you can use the keyboard just as you would normally on a computer. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.